Girl in Her, Hyekyung AN. Since 2015, Hyekyung AN has been working on a project titled A Painter's Suitcase, in which she visits and stays on islands and in remote villages through residency programs and travels, creating paintings and installations, holding exhibitions, and engaging in community activities. Her works featured in AP7 are part of this project, created by the artist through the act of recalling her mother, residents she had met before, and the boyhood and girlhood of Anyang citizens together, presenting the memories of a generation who have lived most of their lives in the past. The artist invites us to think about social issues that will affect our lives in the distant future, such as aging, population decline, and individualization.